Hello, dear friends. Welcome to everyone to the Nostalgia channel. Here today, we are here just for a walk besides to the seashore, and that's when we got a glimpse of something unusual, and we thought that we should share this with you. Yes, friends. Here, while we were walking on the stroll out here, we saw two men carrying out fishing. Yes, but not with a rod. They have a fishing net with them. Yes, a fishing net. As we see, there are two guys out over here. One guy is helping to collect the fishes, the other guy with net is going towards the sea. As we see, this is a very dangerous act, but we should really appreciate his confidence level. Hats off. The water can be deep enough, but we are sure this guy would know swimming well. And I mean, look at his confidence level, the way he is going into the sea and then, throwing over the net and catching the fishes. Hats off. Hats off, guys. This is really good. Put in the fishing net over to the seabed and he's, waved it and he's come up with it. And there's another guy who's helping him out to clear it out. And you can see fishes in his net. Oh, yeah, there it goes. He's missed out one. He's missed out one. But still, there are others, and we are with them, just having a small shoot, to capture the moments. Fishing with the net. Yeah, he's got it. I think he got two fishes over there, one is missed out. And look at this, friends, giving you a glimpse of his fishes he's got. He's got a garfish, he's got a couple of other brassy fishes, and there are other fishes also. Yeah, he's got crabs also in that. Woohoo. Sorry. Good enough. I mean, couple of fishes. Yeah, of course, with the fishing net, not one, not two, but many fishes in go. भैया ये थोड़ा हमें उठा के दिखाना ज़रा. There he goes. Wow, that's a big one. Yeah, that's a big one. Oh, look at that beak here. That's a good one. Yeah, and he's got many others also. Anyways, he's moving ahead. So we also decided to move along with them. As you see, the rocks are there out. You have to be careful that, not have a slip or anything. Yeah, they're going and we are following them. Yes, we are following them. And yeah, the other guy is already, with his net. He's caught something. Let's see, let them open up. Yes, there are fishes. You can see the movement, but yeah, oh, there it goes. He's very quick, yeah, with his net. He missed the other one, and there, and there, and there, and there. Oh, that's an empty one. Bad luck. No problem. He goes again with the net, and we are sure he will get a good catch. Yeah, there he goes. That's really a good thing. I mean, apart, we usually cast our rod and, we do the fishing. We got this unusual glimpse, so we thought we have to share this with you all. And that too out here. That's a, rare thing to watch. That's what we would say, so. Carrying out your fishing with your fishing net. So there, the follower goes in with his bucket to get the catches, put in the catches. He's advising him, थोड़ा दूर जाओ, इतने पास से मत लेना. But दूर जाओ, maybe the water is deep. That's why the guy must be scared. There he's put it again. Whoa. It's a small net, but I think that is more than enough for them. I mean, that's good. I mean, getting so many catches is not a small thing here. And that too fresh fishes from the sea. Yeah, he's pulling it across and across. Yes. Yes, he's pulling it across, yeah. I think this time also he's got some good catches caught in his net. Let's see. We have not gone that close to them because that side the rock, if you see, rocks are slippery, so maybe the leg might slip or something, a bit scared, so not going till that end. But they both are clearing out the net together, so I think they have, let me have a closer view. He caught something, I think something very tiny. Yeah. What is this? I mean, something very tiny things. He's got prawns on our. Joking. I don't know though. We are not getting a clearer view out there because we have not gone to that end. But yes, it's something good that they have caught. And wow, look at the sun in its perfect glory. Besides to the sea with the rays and beams shining forth. That's something tremendous. And that's really good, as we keep saying in the other videos also. Sun, the sea, fishes, the fishing net, the rod. What more can anyone ask for? The best thing. Alright, friends. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being with us. Thank you very much.